Today we're gonna have
Someone started a fire in the lab and then made us wait outside for an hour and a half.
Really? Who did?
You think I'm supposed to know?
Um,
We were doing lab concoctions
today
and,
today we having a thunderstorm because
someone made
today
an
we
accidental chemical.
For sure they're in trouble.
Wait.
The fire.
wait guys,
Okay,
stop.
talk.
And someone caused like a fire, and then we had to wait outside for an hour
Say
and a
it.
half so that they could clean it up.
So we're going to have a thunderstorm today because I can
I
see
listen. Oh.
clouds. Like today I saw one huge one.
Oh. Guys, he's telling something na pa yan? Naiinis na ako sa camera.
He's sleeping.
Oh. Guys, tara, ihatid ng buong pamilya si Kuya sa gym dahil yung sasakyan is walang charge, guys. So, let's go. Alam nyo na, ganyan ka-concern si husband to me. Dahil, syempre, pag hindi walang masyadong charge yung sasakyan, syempre, ayaw niya na ma-stranded yung kanyang jusawa. So, ito yung truck ang aming gagamitin.
Dad, don't say anything.
Gabriel, get in. You got it? You need help? Let's go. Let's go, guys. Ang init, uy. Oh, next year? In that school? Ang init, guys. 106. Wow.
109
Oh, 109 pala, guys. Grabe, ang init. Diyos ko po.
That's why it's going to see the sky out there.
Oof.
It's going to be thunderstorm.
Oh,
See how it's like getting dark out that way?
yeah.
Maybe not raining right here, but when it's this humid and this hot, something's got to give.
Kasi para malagyan pa ng charge yung sasakyan ko.
I mean, there was a
Really?
accident.
Yeah, you're right.
It's bigger, but you just got to go slower, take your time.
Malapit na talaga yung chicken restaurant matapos. Try namin yan dyan soon. Ito na, guys. Hatid na natin si drop off lang natin saglit. Planet Fitness. Bye! Love you! Be good there. Yan. That's good for him.
Something to do.
Yep. He said next
Besides
year.
Yell and scream at the TV.
He said next year he will join the football.
Join the service. Isn't that what he wanted?
Ganitong oras, guys, tingnan niyo naman ang traffic.
They need to make the entrance up there.
Freeway kasi doon, no? Highway. Yeah. Alright. The only thing is they go to. Grabe yung sun, guys. Tara na, guys.
Oh, 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 oh. That's what you gotta do is wait for these people to go
Yes.
and then turn.
There you go.
Go all the way over here.
Bahay na, guys. Gumagawa ako ngayon ng mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ginawa ko for dinner. Actually, wala lang. Meron ako salmon na prito na. Yan. Tapos, merong fried rice. At saka, ito pa. Ito, Binili ko to sa Asian store, guys. Nung nag-Asian store ako. Ito ay rice seasoning. Tapos, churba-churba lang mo to, guys. Tapos, I have this. Ito yung seaweed na binigay ng aking kaibigan nung nag-party sa bahay niya. Okay pa naman to, guys. O, sa 2026 pa ma-expire. Ayan. So, pakita natin sa inyo ang ating gagawin mamaya. Para lang siya sushi churba. Pero, gawa muna tayo ng dinner ni Cassie. Kasi gusto niyang kumain ng croissant. Gusto ni Madam ng croissant. Nagustuhan niya. Prituhan na natin siya ng ham. Ayan. Actually, this is ham and bacon. Hatiin lang natin, guys, sa dalawa. Para hindi masyadong yan. Tapos, lagyan ko lang ng cheese and I'm going to fry some egg. Tapos, dinner na niya. Simple. Na binili ko sa Costco. Binili namin ni asawa sa Costco. It's big, diba? Lapit na, guys. And then, lutuin na natin yung dalawang egg. And then, we're gonna bake it together with all the ingredients dito. Tapos, cheese. Para ma-melt-melt yung cheese. Alam niyo ba? Dapat talaga kayo mag-ingat dito, no? Mag-ingat talaga dito sa Amerika. Kasi, ang dami-dami nang napapauwi. Siguro yun naman yun ang mga, guys, yung mga masamang nagawa dito tapos wala pa talaga mga papeles. Diba, kung naririnig niyo sa balita, ongoing pa rin talaga kasi yung paghuhuli sa mga walang mga papel, guys. So, baka isa na kami sa mapapaalis. Char. Hindi na yan mangyayari, guys, kasi US citizen na po kami. Thank you, Lord. Siyempre, thank you sa asawa ko sa opportunity na binigay niya, no, na nakapunta kami dito at naging US citizen kami. Mag-preheat na ako ng oven. Huwag kayong mag-alala, guys, kasi itatapon ko na po yung aking mga huwag kayong mag-alala dyan, guys, kasi lilinisin ko ng bongga mamaya. Yung ating mga alam ko na ako ang pampalinis. Kaya lang, hindi naman siya totally sobrang bongga ang linis. Kailangan na natin i-preheat yung ating ka-oven. Sana yung niluluto yung itlog. Ano na natin to. Lagyan na ng cheese. Slice na siya. Sabi ko, maubos mo ba yung dalawa? Sabi niya, ito daw. Yan guys. Yan. Pag ma-ready na yung ano, lagay na natin to. Yan o. Para na yan siyang croissant sandwich. Ay, kung croissant sandwich na siya. Ito na guys. Simple. Init. Yan. Luto na siya lahat, kaya kinamelt ko lang yung cheese niya. Tapos, oh, baka si Mama. Tada. Kas! Get siya dyan na! Tapon na natin kasi marami. Just say. Enjoy your dinner, girl. And then, when you're done eating, I'll give you medication.